Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a Samsung refrigerator water filter. So it's not hard to do. Normally the indicator light right here, see that indicator light, the red one? It's indicated that when you see that red light right there, that means you need to change the filter. So the filter usually lasts about between like 4 to 6 months. It's depending how often you use, how often you get the water from the refrigerator right here, from that water dispenser right here. So we have 5 people in the family, so it's the filter usually lasts about 4 to 5 months instead of 6 months. And the filter is for this model right here. For this refrigerator model, it's this is a 2013 Samsung refrigerator. The model number is RF261BEAEBC/AA. So the filter normally located right there, right in the front right there, the center right there. And every time I put the filter on, I usually write the date that I put it on. So I just replaced this on April 4th, 2021. So about 4 months ago. So it's already time to change it again. I bought this one from eBay. It costs about between like 15 to 20 bucks per filter right here. So the filter right here costs, the part number is, this is the part number for this particular model. It's DA2900020B. So that's the part number. And it says right here it should last around 6 months, but I find out that it usually, depending on how often we use that water dispenser to get the water from the refrigerator, it lasts anywhere between 4 to 5 months, or sometimes you can stretch it to 6 months. So, but you should change it every time that the light indicator comes on. So you counterclockwise unlock it, and if your wrist or finger really strong, you don't need any tool for this thing. You just pull it. But since my wrist is not very strong, I recommend to use a plier like this right here. Just plier right here, turn it right there, and then pull it out right there. That's the old one. So let's remove this film. And normally have a cap on right here. See the cap? Remove that cap. So remove that cap, and then let's just put in the new filter. It's easy to do. Put it in right there. I'll take my plier. That's it. Just put the turn like that. That's all you need to do. You see, after you change it, the light still. So after you put in the new filter, to reset the filter, so that to get rid of this light right here, you just push this fridge and the cool button at the same time. See, change filter, hold 3 seconds. This too, and you can see that the light disappear right there. See the red light? Just hold this button, the fridge and the cool power, for 3 seconds. And that will reset your reset the light right there. And then what you need to do is you need to flush out the see, just flush it out for a couple gallon. All right, just flush it out, dump it out. Keep doing this for, yeah, water come out really good. I recommend you flush it out for a couple gallon of this water right here. So just flush it out. Well, that's it. That's how you change a Samsung refrigerator water filter. So thank you for watching. I hope you learn how to change a Samsung refrigerator water filter. Thank you very much. Bye bye.